There's the 30s. All right. All right, there we go. Grab 260 right there on that pop. Let's go. 578 on the day. Just a quick push over the 50s. A little squeeze up. 2 contracts. If I would have grabbed 4 of them and slammer. Definitely got room right back up. Look at that. potential there. Try to grab the 57s, then I'll pop back up to the 65s. That would be nice. It's okay. Maybe one contract. Test back down. Gonna take some off there. That was a little heavy. Hopefully we can push this back up into the 60s, but it's looking weak. Let's see if we can grind up. There we go. Grind up and push higher. I'll take 59 if I can get it. Nice. All right, not bad. Got a live account here, just up 671 on the day. You're long, huh? All right, let's go. Hopefully, keep rolling. 162 is the high on that one. That 1 minute candle. Yeah, MNQ is good. I mean, that's probably a smarter way to be playing them for sure. I'm up 600 and some change on the day. Let's see, 671. Yesterday I had a $1,261 day, I think it was. So it's been decent. It's been good. I'm just a little worried about a double top in here and a little resistance in this area here. I'll just draw what I'm talking about. So definitely some resistance in here to like this area here. This is like a supply. I might short this little area. I wanted to. So 70s, $200 bet, that's short. So I want to see it pop a little bit more here, and I might go short. I'm going to go short at 63. If it could pop to 63 and get me short, come on. Just a little quick pop, and then I think it's going to drop. Okay, I'm short. Whew, got it. Whew. All right, we'll see what happens now. Short now, right there at 63s, risking up to 70s. This can roll back over. There we go. There we go. There we go. You need to keep going though. Can't have it hold up here. You need to keep on pulling down. We'll see what happens. That was a bottom buy. I should have added. I feel like I should have added. That dip buyers came in, but they're also going to potentially get trapped. This is like I don't know. I just can't buy. I can't go long on a supply zone, you know? Too much supply. This is a supply zone. Oh, squeezing up. Oh, it's trying to squeeze out all the shorts. All right, I added to my short because I just don't believe it. Pulling down. Pulling down. I want to cover one if I can. Got one off. Still holding one. Holding one for a nice little rip down. I'm going to get out. It's okay. I'm holding it. Up 730 on the day now. All right. I didn't hold it because all of a sudden there was just these buyers that came in, all this volume, and I'm like, whoa, what is this? I think it's a trap, but I don't know. It might not. It might just rip all the way up and go back up to VWAP, you know, and go right through the supply zone. It's kind of holding. It's wicking. It's kind of holding up. It's got higher lows, higher. You know, oh man, I think it's a good short. It could really rip some faces off all the way back down here into the 40s. You know, 45, 50s. Oh, it's doing it again. It's pulling down to the mid 50s. Okay, it's getting bought up. Let's see. See if we can like do a little bottom buy, bottom wick. Just suck it all up here. And then get short again. It's hard to get short in there though, because it's holding. You know, I'm gonna do it anyways. It's what I do. Come on, pick me up. If it's gonna pick me up there, it's gonna pick me up here. Darn it. I want 63s, 64s, 65s if I'm gonna short again. I need to see that pop. This thing looks like it's gonna roll over though. I understand it's like lower highs, all that, but it's just this is a supply. I don't even want to get involved in like going long here. I can't do it. It's got a test down here. It just doesn't have to, but this is going to be the target, guaranteed. Shapes. This is the target. I got short. Might not be right, but especially when you have buyers coming in right there. Squeezing it up. Yeah. It's getting pushed for sure. Still going to do it. It's definitely testing that supply zone. It's definitely going up. Looking pretty good here. Uh-oh. Possible rejection? It's trying to hold it now as support. It's trying to hold it. Oh! Oh! I'm going to get out just because it... I'm just going to get up break even. Just... I don't know, dude. If that's going to reject really, it might just hold. It's actually getting some buyers that want to buy the supply. Oh, that's stupid. Why would you want to buy in there? I'm out. I'll just get out. When you're wrong, you're wrong. It is grinding higher, I know. But look at this. I just can't. Too much supply. It's going to want to go back up and hit this VWAP, though, up here in the 80s. The 2180s, I'm sure. I got to do it. I feel like shorting it. It's trending higher, though. That's the problem. Ooh, drop down. Hit all the wicks out. All the stops. Bottoming tail. I think it's fake bottoming tail. It's fake. It's not real. It's gonna go back down. It's probably going up. I just contrarian here. Just gonna see if it'll continue to pull back down and trap. I'll take a profit at like 60, 61. That's crazy. This looks like it's gonna squeeze. This is where I want to see just roll over. Like, oh, sorry, you caught. Yeah, this is gonna squeeze. This is where all me and the other shorts go, oh, crud, we're screwed. Until it doesn't. And it slaps down. But we'll see. Yeah, there's the shorts getting squeezed. Yeah, it's going up. All the way up to that, here's a squeeze. Ah! I got out for a little more than I wanted to lose, but that's okay. Long at 21.44. Hopefully you're still long. This thing's kicking butt. This thing came back so much from earlier today. All the way down here. I had a bottom perfect. I'm going to go long here at 86s, up for a quick scalp to the 90s. Can we do it? I cut it a little short. That's okay. 492 on the day. I was way higher than that, but that's okay. Small pullback, rip higher. It's above VWAP. And we're still negative on the day. That was a lot of volume. That candle that squeezed up. See, got outside that supply zone. All the shorts got squeezed, including myself. Woo. 96s. Potentially up and over. Pulling back. Into the 90s. I might pull like 2 contracts here and go for the long. Small pullback, bit buy. Oh, that would have been nice. $400 winner if it hits up and over. Pulling down back to the VWAPs and test it in the 80s. Down to the 87s. 85s. I'll go long on the 85s if we can touch it. Okay, 85s. Oop. Went right through the 85s. It's not what I wanted to see. VWAP holding, popping up over the 85s now. Let's go. Go retest up into the 100 mark. The 21-200s. Uh-oh. 80s need to hold here. Looking for continuation higher. Oop, snapped down a little bit there. Buying to see if the 80s can reclaim. And it's pushing. Aye. Come on, push, rip. Let's go, rip some faces off. 2 contracts long. I'm a little nervous here. There's nothing to be nervous about. Push. Halt. Rip. Rippity-doo-dah. Wow. No, that's not what I wanted to see. Rip. Come on, come on. Bottom dip by. Boom. Push, push, push. This is not what I want to see. I want to see it rip faces off. Just all the way to the 87s. Oh, go. Take me out. Got one out. I'm holding the rest of it all the way up in the 90s. I put it at 90. It's going to get pushed. It's going to rip. It's going to push. Keep going. This is a good bull flag here. Oh no, rejections. It's a lie. It's going to keep pushing. I'm going to hit like a... What's that hit up to? 88s. Come on. Keep pushing. Let's go. It's basing out here. It's kind of holding. It's holding. Come on. I'll do like a 78 stop or something. All right, I need to let my cat in. Cat's getting crazy here. What's up, dude? Come on. Come on. You want to go outside? Here you go. How we looking? Okay, we're waiting. We're waiting around. We're waiting around. I think it's gonna pop up here. I don't know. It's going. It's just kind of basing out. We'll see what happens. Might do a BS fake flush or something. Dropping. You're excited? Oh, you exited here. Okay, okay. Could go higher. Yeah. Today. So I'm done. Okay. Okay. Oh, hit my stop. Dang, I'm only up 411 on the day. Yeah, it failed. This failed VWAP. Wouldn't be a bad spot getting short here for a little while. If this can hold. Oh, I tried to get short right there at 82, so I wouldn't take it. Now it pops up. Darn it. Let's see if I can hold this. And do 2 contracts long at the 80s. Maybe. Yeah. 85s. Now it squeezes. I'm just gonna short, see if it can go back down. That's nice. Keep going. See a nice slap all the way down to the 70s again. These are all the stops. I'll take $100. $4.95 in the day. I think we're bullish. It goes much higher, but today was BE, so I'm done. Not sure what BE is. This thing's barcoding just up and down. Doesn't know where it's going to go. Reclaimed VWAP for a minute on the minute chart, so it's kind of hanging there. If you get a red to green, it's going to rip. Down 30 points. If I go 2 contracts long right here, where's it going to go? Oh, man, it would have ripped. In the 90s. A lot of resistance up here. A lot of resistance. Rejected. Ooh. Rejected bad. They're trying to hold it. I'm going to go short here because it's looking nasty. Like it's going to flush or something. I'll take $70. 569 on the day. Quick scalps. It's just barcoding. There's not really much you can do right now unless you draw this trend line right here, break, trend line break over VWAP. Just watching. Trading the NQs. Up, see, 569 on the day. So you need this to snap, but it's got a lot of support there. But here's the snap potential right here. Over the VWAP, down low, snap all the way back down. Or it holds, just like that. Tug of war going on. Potential squeeze right here. It's holding. Higher, higher, higher. There's a snap. Snaps the line. Into the support, though, one more time. Dude, they'll do liquidity snap, and then they'll grab this, and then sometimes just go right back up. There's that suck back up. There's that liquidity sweep. I'm actually going to go short here, even though I know it looked like it's super bullish because it just bought all up. But we will see. Because sometimes that's just like trapping a bunch of longs. and then right here slams them right back down, and then just snaps them. Yeah, they're holding it. I need to see some snappage. That's a hold. That's a hold. That's kind of a hold. I mean, it's at least it seems like it to me. I don't know. I wanted to see a violent, snap with some volume. That didn't really show me much. Up 604 on the day. That's just barcoding. That's nice. It's good. Looks good, but maybe potentially long here because it's holding up. Sideways action, boring. It snapped down a little bit there, but just to the 78. So 78's been holding. Barcode Central, man. Look at, is anything gonna happen? Man, it's quiet. I'll zoom out. See what's going on here. 50-minute chart. What a hell of a V shape. I mean, I had that thing drawn in down here on the 1 minute. Right here was a reversal. Double bottom. I even drew it out. And then just popped over right out there, that downward trend. It's like, dude, double bottom, and then this thing pops. I got out. If I would have just held on to that bad boy, jeez, that would have been amazing. I had some decent size on it, I think, there, but I'm up 600 on the day. If you can see that, it's over there. Here, I'll just move it. Can you move it? Move it. 604 on the day. Yeah, it's holding. Starting to squeeze. Not sure if there's anything I like in here to play. I'm not buying at the top. That's not going to happen. Could it squeeze all the way up? Absolutely. You got a lot of stuff over here to your left. It's also a 1 minute chart, so just
Video. Another day, another attempt to take out all-time highs. My analysis tells me 149.77. That's the official all-time high, but it did hit 150 in the pre-market last week. A couple of headlines today. AWS negotiating a huge deal to supply IBM with GPUs via the cloud with Nvidia's
Now this is trying to
GPU.
hold this little area here on the
Separately,
1 minute.
Brightburn initiating coverage of Nvidia with a buy rating and a price target of $178. This one today outperforming the wider chips sector, guys, up 2%.
Right, I mean, the embarrassing name of the day for me. I mean, we had every point of view today. It seems like we wrote down here. What price did we like Nvidia? 146.50. Stay long. I mean, 146.50 on Nvidia. That probably didn't come today at all, did it? All right. What about 146.50 off the open? Oh yeah, that worked. That only worked for $3. Not that much. And then it came back in right there. And what price did we stop at again? 146.50. Same level there again. But you know what? We are now in on. So it's just that we talked about this right now. So above view
Sorry about that. I'm just trying to adjust this camera.
right there. We could have got a little more patient, waited for a break in and around 50 at the end of the day. Let's see if Nvidia wants to work. It's up 2% if the market wants to go. The rest of the day, let's just go with it then, right? We want to take a strong name. Bounce off the 52. We definitely like these bulls. Has it broken before? Yes. Can it continue to go down? Of course. We're going to watch out for this break of 147.90. We can almost get it right down to that 70 area. That might be a little too rich though. I'm thinking in and around here, let's see a hold. If we dip back in, we don't have like a complete full position yet, so we're able to take some more. I think we'll take average in and around where we're coming into right now. But that's a nice move up. I think it has a chance to work. I don't want to like jump the gun here and panic and get out. But again, nice bounce.
I want to say this is a false breakout.
We went down basically, and we're not
Could be wrong.
have it. So that kind of sucks. But we have this trade out of the money right now, 10 cents. But we're gonna wait for it. It's Nvidia trying to see if this one wants to go higher. Strongest name out there.
Oh, they just bought the dip buy on that.
So we're wrong on NVDA, and I think we're wrong again when we.
Huh.
This is a 1 minute chart, but if you even look at that strategy that we talked about prior.
Well, it just ripped up, and then we'll see what happens now.
We have to use again. It's pretty much that same way. 147.70 is going to be real. 147.80. I'll just go give it down to that way. 147.70. Breaker, we're out of that one, so we're doing our math appropriately. We're going to give it, until it breaks back in. That's
Oh.
we calibrate how things do. So right now, trying to
There we go. $30. Nah, it's not really holding. We'll see. See if this can roll over.
bit of a hold here.
Come back down into the 80s. It's trying to break out. I think it's gonna. It's either gonna trap. I think it's gonna trap longs, but that's just me. I don't know. Here's my line. It's squeezing.
Seems like that 50, definitely something there for now. I think that's definitely, and when I look at that, I see like a bit of an over-under idea potentially on Nvidia, and you said Bitcoin over. Bitcoin is still 81.9, 89.1 again right now for BTC, but you can also trade.
Looks like dip buys are in here, so that's where they're dip buying it. I'm trying to squeeze it up here, but then they get trapped, and then they get stuck, and then it snaps right back down against them, and they all flush out right there. Boom, 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 boom. Keep going. I need to hit more stops, more stops, more stops, and start hitting them all. More, all the way down to the VWAP. I'd like to see into the 80s. They're buying it though. They're dip buying, coverage, whatever, playing the game.
They were trying to sell it to individuals, obviously, over here.
I should get it on a pop.
Yes, they're trying to sell their Tritium chip anyway as a replacement for Nvidia's H100.
They're trying to hold it up. So the bottom dip buy right there was good. I mean, it swept some stops.
Looking to set up IBM with access to cloud service that runs Nvidia's GPU. So good look here. Amazon up over 1%.
All right, so Amazon was a good.
One more pullback. I don't have to get out.
Now what? And amazing stock.
Yep, it's pushing now.
All right, so yeah, just looking at this here. Look at this. I was like, oh, where are we now? Okay, we wrote down 207. Now we like, man, or did we write down?
Okay, short of one more contract.
We tried it. It was good here.
Hopefully, we don't get squeezed out.
Off that 207 all the way to 208. So that was dollar club. We were spinning that and having a bunch of fun. Then all of a sudden that fun turned
crashing back in, baby. Let's go.
On that last part of the trade, only to see what's happening. Look at that rebound off the look.
I might have to just break even if I can.
Pull more levers, man. I mean, I think Amazon continues to work all week. I love the environment. I love retail. I love that it's a pure American stock. Like I just there's Trump probably orders tons of stuff off Amazon. Okay, here we go. Nvidia's trying to go upside. Look, I like this.
Nvidia's going upside. Gotta watch out for this.
We're obviously getting more and more of these chips going through.
Coming down.
Language model. Okay. The more they can do this, the better it is. Come on, Nvidia. Where am I at even here? I'm gonna take off 10% right now.
They're pulling in. I'll take $60. That's fine. It's pulling down though now. Look at that, right into the 80s. God, I wanted to keep it, but I decided just in case the thing rips right back up against me. There's that flush though, just a double top, simple double top. I got in a little early with 2 contracts, but I'm up 652 on the day. Oh man, there's that nasty bar. I mean, that sucks when you're in long, you know. That's not good. That's not a bad spot right there off that 15 EMA on the 1 minute. I swear to God, it just pops off that all the time. There's that rip right back up. I'm gonna go short one more time right here. Because if they get trapped trying to go long again and it doesn't work for them, it's gonna flush right back down. It might not be a lot, just enough for a scalp. I'd say like 80. I'll buy right here at 88 if I can get that.
Look at that reversion. Absolutely crazy. 100% reversion all the way to the top side, and then you get that consolidation at 206s right there. That same.
At 93 went all the way down to 86s.
Where I was like, okay, well, bit of a something.
Be nice.
In and around that 206, and that comes in right there, and that's where the bid picks up on.
Kind of holding up.
While the high of day, pre-market high of day there, 209.30s.
Not a bad long.
I see that some of you in the chat recognize that reference there. But yeah, no, 206 is holding.
Ah, there's a squeeze.
Testing right now. We're only about 10 pennies away from that pre-market high.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what happens if we could hold.
Something I do want to know is that look at this 3-day. Well, I don't know if it's
And the flush right back down or what? What's gonna happen?
It looks nice on the chart. Is it going to actually show up in the price action? Who knows? Let's find out. 209.50s. I'll be watching.
Just gonna wait a little bit. Be patient. Came down. Wow, if it's going all the way down to the mid 90s, that's nasty. Oh wow. I'm gonna get out. It's okay. It popped. It's dropping, but looks like it's gonna continue on. It's fine. It's a bullish day. I mean, and now it's getting to be a bullish day. You know, it's coming back. It's down on the market. The market's down a little bit, but I think it's gonna finish green. Might go red to green here.
All right, more output on Nvidia now, 20 cents in. We talked about where our stops would be, so we were going to punch out. Breaking 270 was the ultimate, but now that we're going to the upside, we are now out of.
Reclaiming the 200s, huh? I'm gonna do 2 contracts long here, see if they can get a nice squeeze up. Nice squeeze up would be nice. I'm not seeing much, so I'm gonna see if I can pull a little bit off.
And honestly, I mean, Obi, take a look at this. We are really starting to go. All right, there it is. You're right. Look, who just said I just want to fit in? You're right. There it is. Kanye East. What's up, man?
Yeah, it's not really. Now it pulls back. Eey. It's not good when I have 2 contracts on. Oh. Oh. Down to the 90s. Rejecting the 200s, dude. Wow. That's expensive. Oy. Oh my God. Slapped a bunch of stops.
upside. Right now, I didn't even say that really on purpose there. I'm gonna have to get that out of my. If you go, here we go, all the time when we talk about Dak Prescott, and then before you look at it, say, here we go. All right, so there it is. Nice move up.
Such a bad, bad
We think of something.
upside down trade right now.
Okay, nice little flush down. Look, there's a lot of volume going through. It's not necessarily going in crazy right now, but we do have all-time highs in the view right now.
Oh god, I gotta get out. That sucks. Oh, there goes my day. Welcome to trading. I thought I was gonna keep ripping, but it turned over. Doesn't go red to green and really start getting going.
3 days ago on those wicks, we came very, very close today. Today's high is 140.
Down to the 80s.
So we came within 12 cents of a brand new high there for Nvidia, which I realize is my largest holding. And I don't want to get out of any of this one. We have November 20th coming up very, very soon. By the way, we are now at a third of this trade of Nvidia as it pulls back in. November 20th, big report coming through. I have a price target of 170 to 175 on this name. I think we can bump up a little bit more than what many are expecting. Not that Shopify is any sort of an indication here, because what Shopify did today up 25, 26%, and at one point was up almost 30% right there.
See if we can go climb back up.
Big middle finger is shorted. But at the end of the day, Nvidia can do something like this, especially if there are people betting against it, and especially if we haven't or we're still hanging around this all-time high level. You're hanging around 150 and they put up a beat and then a raise. Well, I mean, what are people going to have to do to their numbers? Let's just think about that. You know, they're going to have to start upgrading. They're going to have to start changing price targets and putting on a different multiple on Nvidia. So you don't want them to be, if you're short, you don't want them to be around here come earnings time, because the next move is higher. I think they're going to beat and guide forward. We don't even know the real story about Blackwell yet, what kind of demand there is for that. Once they start to release the hounds, I think we will be able to get a little bit of a better view. I'm going to take out another
I thought it was gonna go higher.
on Nvidia, and then just try to hold, like try to get down to like 60% holding here. It's not going up, right? We're not getting that meme sort of feel about it. I'm not a meme. Look, it can't even go anymore. And now it's becoming a big. So let's stay very, very diligent with this trade. It's just not acting properly. We're able to get some outs there.
Wow.
That's the high of the day. Is what it is. Too bad it didn't keep going. I still think the futures will help us here, but that's now at 05. My bid right now is at 05, so that's fine. Hoping you get long into the 50-day moving average. And then we'll use something like a VWAP for a hold. So breaking through 90, I think will be enough for me. I'm not going to hold it all the way to 70. If we're wrong, we're wrong. And this is breaking through 85. So my stop zone here for Nvidia is 85. So 147.85. I'll put it on right now in front of you. I just have to cancel my old stop. So 147.84. Break that, and we'll get out. We are looking to average in at 148. That's what we're doing right now for that one. Amgen,
I'd like to see this thing squeeze up.
I don't know which way Amgen's going.
I don't know what stalling.
We're going down 6%. The story was just here it is here. Okay, so price cut there on Amgen. I actually believe there was one more story about them earlier today. I just want to make sure I get it right before we go over here. Here's what I have to finish here. Pipeline risks, 4% loss. Okay, and
This, in theory, this should J and then squeeze. It's failing.
But yeah, Amgen nicely downsizing. So this is the risk about, we talked about yesterday with ABB, ABBV, when you miss on trials, that's going to be a New York name. Amgen NASDAQ, ABB New York, of course. As that misses to the downside, you're going to see down another one in a different.
Oh, jeez.
That's why I choose, and again, I really like the space. That's why I'm choosing XBI. I might take advantage. We did sell some Google there today. I might take advantage and get some XBI after back-to-back bad days.
Just playing games.
So XBI right there, down 2.5% actually. Sorry, today. This is a good opportunity to get price into that.
This should squeeze those shorts. Watching it. We're just watching it.
We'll wait for XBI, but I like the opportunity here. On the daily, it's been great. There's the pullback in. Kind of these levels here. Back into the 50, we like it. Again, I like the stock. It's an ETF of a fire cap. Yeah, I think there's a
I can't. This thing ain't breaking out like I wanted to. I just got out. Break even on the day, $9.
VPX
But
moving up aggressively on some volume there, pulling the pressure alert there. Just came out. Yesterday's volume came in about at the 2:15. It is right now. It's about 15 minutes ago. So it's been a few minutes since that news has come out, I guess. That's yesterdday, so he's not going to be happy that VKTX is moving around quite aggressively right now. So let's see if that gives us more opportunity here.
Discord.
That's the thing, right? When you trade a little bit like that, look at that consolidation range that's been happening in and around that 58. All of a sudden, something comes out and that double top gets taken out, blue up gets taken out, and we progressively move to the upside there. So no news on here just yet, but we'll find out, I guess, in a little bit. I'm just waiting. I'm patiently waiting. We're trading underneath 21,200 there. As of right now, took a little stab on the Amazon. Let's see if that one will potentially work out. Not really looking like anything else is pretty solid there. In my opinion, I missed the reverse on the 20. Trying
Let's see if this thing pull back.
I guess it did kind of work. It's coming right back in, but I added and then I swapped out, so not really the best decision right there.
I just don't want to get long right there.
The trade is still on. 24 is a low as of right now. We're pushing aggressively back towards VWAP as of right now. So let's see what the next trade is. I'm going to be potentially looking at it at some of these prior highs there. 336s again is confluencing right now with VWAP are only about 3 points away from that 336 level here. I'm kind of pushing into the full threes as of right now. So let's see. Market tailwind is quite strong as well. Adobe, I'm still kind
There
of
we go.
covered a little bit there on that 522. Was looking for that view up to come in, but it's starting to look like a bit of a flat top here, pushing into that 528 as of right
Damn,
now. So
dude. Just keeps on wanting to buy back up.
looking for that
I got
bottom
out.
before. If that does break, I guess I will swap out on
It's
that
alright.
one. But yeah, no, I guess the move was on the initial break of trend, which is pretty strong in the morning there. And we've only been making higher lows into this 28 level here on Adobe. So getting some past expectations for that one and see what that one will do for us. It's looking very strong. We're doing significant money there as of right now. Haven't seen a break here so again, we're underneath that 21,200 as of right now. So let's see where Swappy's at relative to some prior days. Prices, we're trading just below this open, just in and around prior days open right there. So week's open is what we're trading around here at 423 on Swappy. So maybe we'll patch for
$33.
a little pullback.
Jesus
I have no
Christ.
idea there. Let me know in the chat what you guys are trading if you're looking short Tesla or something. I don't know, man. Like that bottom is pretty interesting there. We cracked that pre-market low. We talked about that pre-market low being at that 328 level. That 328 level does a lot of volume. The market starts to catch a bit of a bounce. This thing extends a little bit further there off of 328. It goes down to 323s, and then it catches a bid. And now we're making some higher highs, higher lows. Some of this trend has been broken as well. I talked about that trend from 1030 all the way down to 130. So we've been trending down since then, and this is finally a little bit of a break of trend, but not necessarily the cleanest reversion. We're going more sideways than we are reverting all the way back to VWAP. VWAP sitting at 237. So that's also kind of in and around that opening range low as well, around 235.5. Again, so that some of those reference prices, some of those prices are pretty close by. So let's see if this bid can take us up into some of those areas. Again, market tailwind is pretty strong, and Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin kind of trading a little bit higher here. I have 89.9 once again. Keeping the eye there long. You're looking for that 90 break path.
Yeah, basically, I'm looking to see if we can continue this thing here on the we also do a nice little bump up right now that on our trend, at least for now. Back to now. We stop there. Okay, I'll go back over on. Right now, I just said honestly, I just said it not right now. I mean, at some point, you have to see that because otherwise you're never going to get these trades. So I bought some like 15 of my own, 14 even touched them. I figured, And then now we'll wait to see where we can go here. We still want to be long in this thing. We need something nice and obviously for Bitcoin. If we can take that 90,000, we're trying to go again. Why not? I want to basically average this all the way to I don't mind moving a decent amount on this. I mean, we've seen Bitcoin has we're almost at all-time highs. Oh, that's right. We're at 148. We're $1 away from all-time highs. 149. But right now, there's a nice little pullback right here